Michael Wausauceky gets a job at IKEA. Michael Wausauceky was in his house when he said, "I want a job at IKEA." So he called IKEA and said, "Hi, I would like a job at IKEA." But no one answered, and he was sad. Depression noises. Undeterred, he went to IKEA to get a job. Michael Wausauceky wandered through IKEA looking for somewhere to be hired. However, he kept getting distracted by amazing furniture.
Wow.
He went through the warehouse to buy amazing furniture when he remembered why he was here. He knew he was getting closer when everything became distorted. Then he found it, the door. He met the IKEA king and asked for a job. The IKEA king said yes, and Michael Wausauceky now had a job at IKEA. Now Michael went to the exit to get back to the surface. As he spun around and around, he got all the knowledge an IKEA employee needs to know. When he got back to the surface, he now had a name tag and a job at IKEA. The end.